So here's the 92, the OEM. We have this plug here, which does not exist in the 95 to 97. And then right now I'm in the process of removing this bracket to the engine oil dipstick. Here is the 95 to 97. As you can see, it does not have any of those type of plugs right here. The exhaust has this piece right here, and this is going vertical in the 89 to 94. The older gen is going vertical and it routes into this hole. So I'm thinking, but in the 95, 97, it goes horizontal. So I'm thinking maybe I could swap this piece from the 95, 97 into here. Hopefully it would be direct bolt-on, because it has these type of plugs, which yeah, otherwise we would just plug this up, but I don't know how that would affect things. So here is the upper intake from the older gen. As you can see, this is vertical, this is horizontal.
You can also build a flat plate that goes over the intake and just drill 2 holes and reuse the old bolts. You have to cut the bolts down a little bit so they still go in there, but that's what we did on this 351. And actually, that's what I've done on my 2.3. I just don't want to get wet to go look at it.
Same thing up here. We have this plug up here. So I wonder if we can still use it. And then so the 95, 97, here are the fuel injector plugs. They look like this. And here are the 89. They look, besides the color difference, I think they're the same. Alright, here is the 89 to 94 lower intake manifold. Here is the 95 to 97 lower intake manifold with the upper intake manifold. I want to show you guys the differences if you're doing the swap to the newer gen, because of course it's hard to find the older gen cylinder heads that are not cracked, but they still sell the 95 to 97s and all the way to 2001s. This plug, some type of sensors, we do not have it here. I'm guessing this is the same bolt to hold down the oil, what is it, engine oil dipstick. So kind of the same spot. Now we still got the fuel lines and everything, pretty much the same. Now let's see, we have this guy here, the idle control valve. Other than that, what else is a little bit different? Some of these plugs over here we do not have. What about this one? Wow, I do not know what this was for, but it looks like this one has something similar down there.